Good morning, children. Next we are going to learn about a new topic, slope. Another name is gradient, either slope or gradient. Mostly we used to use the word slope, but rare places they will give the word gradient, but you must know both are the same meaning, slope or gradient. Slope, it will be denoted by small m. Slope will be denoted by small m. Okay. In our daily life, we are using that without knowing its mathematical terms. Okay. So suppose a hill is there. Anyone traveling along a hill feel hard compared to traveling on a plain road. The reason is because of its steepness. You know the meaning of steepness, right? While constructing staircase, we should consider the steepness of the staircase. Okay, these are all the example of steepness, where we are using steepness. Okay, so what is slope? Measure of steepness is called slope. Measure of steepness is called slope. If we are measuring the steepness, that measurement is called slope. Okay. Now, we must know angle of inclination before we enter into the concept slope. Okay. What is the meaning of angle of inclination? We know the word angle and we know sin theta, cos theta. Many angles we studied in 9th standard. What is the meaning of angle of inclination? Angle of inclination, if a straight line is there, this is a line, okay, angle theta, this is the angle theta made by the line with the x-axis. Angle theta made by the line with the x-axis. Any line you can draw. If you are drawing a line, suppose if you are drawing one line, if this angle is theta, then this is angle of inclination. Angle of inclination means the line, okay, making angle theta with the x-axis, only with the x-axis, not with the y-axis. Okay, if a line make angle theta with the x-axis, then the angle is denoted as theta and it is known as angle of inclination. Sometimes they will give inclination. Okay, so angle of inclination. So what is the angle of inclination of x-axis? X-axis. So angle of inclination of this line is theta. Angle of inclination of x-axis, what is the angle between x-axis and x-axis? It is 0. So angle of inclination of x-axis is 0. One more. Angle of inclination of a line parallel to x-axis. Angle of inclination of x-axis 0. Angle of inclination of a line which is parallel to x-axis. See here, this is x-axis. This line L is parallel to x-axis. What is the angle between these two lines? Both are parallel. So angle is 0. So that also 0 degree. So angle of inclination of x-axis is 0, as well as angle of inclination of a line parallel to x-axis is 0. Next, angle of inclination of y-axis. Okay. So this is y-axis. This is y-axis. This line is y-axis. So what is the angle of inclination of y-axis? What is the angle made by this y-axis with the x-axis? For which line you are going to find angle of inclination? Find the angle between that line and the x-axis. So we know y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. So angle of inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. At the same time, angle of inclination of a line parallel to y-axis. So this is a line parallel to y-axis. It will make 90 degree with the x-axis. This line also making 90 degree with the x-axis. So angle of inclination is 90 degree. So second one, angle of inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. At the same time, angle of inclination of a line parallel to y-axis, that also 90 degree. So the formula for slope is m equal to tan theta. Slope m is equal to tan theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle made by a line with the x-axis. Made by a line with the x-axis. Next formula to find the slope. If angle theta is given, okay, formula is m equal to tan theta. If 2 points are given, 2 points x1, y1, second point x2, y2. If 2 points are given, formula m is equal to, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If one equation, any one equation in this form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If any equation is given, slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. That is minus coefficient of x is a by coefficient of y b. So minus a by b. So if you see the word slope, these three formulas should be there in your mind. Slope m equal to tan theta, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So always whenever you are reading the word slope, recall these three formula: m equal to tan theta, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Next, condition for parallel. Suppose two lines are parallel, then the slopes of the two lines will be equal. Okay, if two lines are parallel, slopes will be equal. So parallel condition, m1 is equal to m2. m1 slope of first line, m2 slope of second line. Two lines we are considering. For the two lines, for one first line slope is m1. For the second line, slope of the second line is m2. So parallel condition, m1 is equal to m2. If two lines are perpendicular condition, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So parallel, m1 is equal to m2, perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Next, collinear condition. Already we studied in the previous exercise. Collinear condition, area of triangle is equal to 0. Suppose if you are using slope concept, okay, they will ask the question so that the points are collinear using concept of area of triangle. Otherwise, so the given points are collinear using the concept of slope. So what they are asking, according to that we have to select the condition. Okay, second condition now, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. 3 points will be given. Consider the 3 points as A, B, C. Okay, find the slope of first 2 points, slope of AB, and find the slope of second and third point, slope of BC. If these two are equal, then that 3 points are said to be collinear. Next, exercise 5.2. What is the slope of a line whose inclination with positive direction of x-axis is 90 degree? Wherever you are reading the word inclination or angular inclination, consider it as theta. Okay, inclination theta. Okay, now, so positive, this is positive x-axis, this is x-axis, this is positive, this is negative side. So this is positive x-axis. The angle made by a line with the positive x-axis is 90 degree. Okay, so theta equal to 90 degree. We have to find the slope. So up to you complete this exercise 5.2. Now I think you are writing in the note, right? All the sums you are working out in the note. All the pages, whenever you are doing this exercise, all the pages in the right side corner at the top, you write these three formulas. It is easy for you. All the pages, if you are writing at the top, these three alone, it will be easy for you to keep it in mind. You cannot forget that. Slope m equal to tan theta, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Okay. Now, what is given? Theta is given. What we have to find? Find slope. So, if you want to find slope, if theta is given, the first formula, tan theta. Okay. So, slope m is equal to tan theta. Tan 90 degree. Theta is given as 90 degree. So, tan 90. We studied this table in trigonometry. This also in the formula, along with that formula, you just note it. This formula, this table you know already. Last year you studied in 9th standard. Okay. So, here tan 90 degree, it is not defined. That is infinity. So, tan 90 infinity. Second subdivision, theta equal to 0 degree is given. So, slope m is equal to, if angle is given, slope m equal to tan theta. So, tan 0 degree. Tan 0, it is 0. So, tan 0, 0. So, slope is equal to 0. Okay. Question number 2. What is the inclination of a line whose slope is 0? Question number 1. Inclination is given, that is theta is given, we find slope. Question number 2. Slope is given, we have to find inclination, that is we have to find theta. Okay. So, slope m is equal to 0. So, what is the formula for slope? That is tan theta. Tan theta equal to 0. If tan theta is 0, what is the theta? 0 degree. So, theta equal to 0 degree. Question number 2. The same question, second subdivision. If slope is 1, what is theta? What is inclination? If slope is 1, m is equal to 1. Slope formula, tan theta is equal to 1. If tan theta is 1, what is the angle? 45 degree. So theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the slope of line joining the points. 2 points are given. We have to find the slope of line joining these 2 points. So consider the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. Again go to the question and see what we have to find. Slope. Question number 1 also, what is the slope? Question number 3, find the slope. So we are going to find the slope. What is the difference between these 2 questions? In this question, inclination theta is given. So we use theta, tan theta, slope equal to tan theta. In this question, 2 points are given. If 2 points are given, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So substitute that. First you write like this, and then if you substitute, you won't do any mistake. You won't commit mistake, okay? So slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus 3 minus, this minus is in the form of minus, in the bracket, y1 minus 2. So minus 2 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus 2 minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 2 by minus 2 minus 1, it is minus. So minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 by minus 3, it is equal to 1 by 3.